Alright, guys, welcome once again to YouTubers Connect. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here, YouTubers Connect is a place where YouTubers connect, learn a lot of stuff, and if you want to know more, you can check out my introduction video and you'll find out more about YouTubers Connect. So let's dive in. So today I'll be showing you how to access your YouTube studio, not on the mobile app, to access it on your mobile phone like you access it on your computers, which is the desktop version. So as you can see here, we are in Chrome. What you see here right now is the mobile version of what Chrome looks like. So to change this, that's Google Chrome or any web browser that looks like Google Chrome here. So to change this, all you have to do is go to these three dots that is above Y and click on the drop down menu. So you scroll down and you see desktop sites. Then you click on it and it automatically changes. So now you see the interface has changed. If you take a look, it has changed and it is more like the web site. Now you see this is still in Google search. So I already searched for YouTube Studio Desktop. So we're gonna be going straight to the YouTube Studio so that I can show you how to add end screens and cards. How to add end screen and cards. So watch this video to the end. If this is your first time here and you love what you're seeing, please do a favor to subscribe, like, and share, and also turn the notification bell on so that you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So let's move on. Yes, so now we're going to YouTube Studio. I already searched for YouTube Studio Desktop. Now I'm gonna click on YouTube Studio. Now you see what happened here. Normally it's gonna take me here to the app because I have the app installed. So there are two ways to this. There are two ways to it. It's either you uninstall the app or you do it. The uninstalling the app is the first way, but the second way is the way I want to show you guys. So we're not installing the app, so we're gonna just go back to where we were. Yes, we're gonna go back to where we were. Now I'm going to show you another app that I use that helps me better. So this is Google Chrome. I'm going to introduce you to another app that helps me better. So we'll be right back. All right, welcome back. As you can see, we are on another browser which is called Crypto Tab Browser. Crypto Tab Browser. So it has the same function just as um, the Chrome browser. You can see desktop side by the side. Also, when I click on desktop side, it gives me a full view of what the desktop side looks like. Now, when you scroll, you see everything comes up like the desktop, unlike the app. So here, it gives you a better access. So what you're going to do is click on your profile picture, then you scroll, then you're going to see YouTube Studio. But this YouTube Studio will not work. What will work is if you see Creators Studio. What will work is if you see Creators Studio. So let's test run this and see what it takes us to. Now you see, it takes us back to the YouTube Studio app. It's going to bring Creator Studio, so we're going to step to where we get the Creator Studio. So Crypto Tab, I'm going to be sending all these apps, I'm going to be sending it to you guys. So join the group and request for the app and I'll send it all to you. All right, so back here. We're back on crypto tab. So on crypto tab, all you have to do is just type youtube.com. That's all you need to type. Now on crypto tab, we also have the access to turn this to desktop site, but I'm not going to do this here. All I just have to do is go straight. Now you're going to see the difference. You see here it's written Creator Studio. Once you see it's written Creator Studio, that's when you can go to the main studio site. So now what it's going to do is going to take me here, then it's going to take me to the Creator Studio where I want to go to. Now there are two things you have to take note. It's going to take you to YouTube Studio. If you see YouTube Studio, make sure you remove it from desktop site. You remove it from desktop site and refresh, and it's going to show you just this. Okay, oh well. So right here, let's assume, okay, let's check out for a video that I've not opened. So what we're going to do is, anytime you upload a video, after uploading the video, this is what is going to happen. Now when you go to this place, the title, you click edit. Now take note of something. You have your title. Now you have all of this. Now below this place that is written public, you see end screen. Can you see this? You see end screen. Now up here, down here, you see cards. Now I already explained to you guys, to add cards and end screen, all you have to do is, now you select the cards. Now you choose whatever you want to put on the card. If it is a previous video, you click plus video. So it's going to bring you a list of the videos you already have. Now I could choose this video. Now when I choose that video, this is what it's going to do for me. It's going to ask me some questions. So now this is the title of the video. You can see the title of the video here. Now this is the video on my right hand side. Now this is the information I need to put. Now this is optional, but you want to put a catchy message, you click here fast. And this is just an example. So when I put click here fast, then there is another teaser text. Now this teaser text is actually the click here fast. I could just put on the teaser text, I could put I could put click now. That's on the teaser. Now when you look at the video, you have to be sure of the timing where you're putting it. Now you see below here, it's at this blue line on my right hand side. You see this? I'm gonna move it. You see what I'm moving? See what is moving? You're gonna take it to the position where you want it to be. I always advise people to put it towards the middle of their video or almost at the ending, so that it doesn't distract people from the video they are watching. You can put it in a place where you feel okay, you've already made your points, then you want them to move to the next video. You can put that. This is a card. We are working on adding cards. Now I put these cards at this time range, which I feel is best. So that's that. So I put the cards on, let's see what's time in here. I put the cards on 2 minutes 51 seconds. So since I'm okay with it, this is what it's gonna be like. on the video. You can see click now on my right hand side because that's a teaser text. Now when they click on it, you see it brings up the video on the side. So if you do not get this well at this particular time, please rewind the video and watch it again. I can promise you, you need to watch this thoroughly. So I'm going to click save. I'm done with the cards, so I want to move to the end screen. End screen is so easy. So let's move on to adding end screen here. So now this is the end screen. This is what the end of my video looks like. Now I could choose any of these elements and put it. Majorly I always like this one that has 2, so it automatically picks for me best for viewers and most recent video. So if you want to change it to another video, you could either remove this one, like this is the option on the right hand side, most recent upload, or choose a specific video. If you choose a specific video, you can choose any of the videos and add to it. But I always like to use tab 2 because it tells me the best video to add up, so that's it for end screens. If you didn't get this right, you can watch the video again and put your questions in the comments below. So thank you guys for watching. This video was actually requested by a subscriber and a very good supporter, so I'm going to be putting the link of her channel in the description below, so guys, go in and support her. And thank you so much, guys. You guys are awesome. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So we save and we have an end screen on our video already. This is directing me. So bye bye, guys. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share.